morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, now today we will start our exercise number 6.2 as we have done already, but we will revise the thing same back and then we will proceed for the new things. So this number line I have drawn here and this is question number 1 of your 6.2, that is MCQ. Okay, before that we will learn some rules, addition rule of integers. So first of all, see, we are talking about addition. Addition means when we are adding two things. Okay, so two numbers are there, maybe positive, maybe negative, maybe 0. If two numbers are having same sign and we are going to add them. Suppose numbers are there, one is -2 plus -3. I am going to add this one. Other numbers are 2 plus 5. We are going to add them. These are all positive. Now see here, these both numbers are having same sign. In this question also they are having same sign. In this question also they are having same sign. If sign are same, okay, I am writing here same sign. Having same sign, so we will have to add. What to do? Add. Plus 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 minus plus minus plus plus minus minus, don't learn like this. If having same sign, just add. What to do? Addition. Add them, and the sign will be of same as them. तो दोनों में लगा है ना, इन दोनों में वही साइन होगा, है ना? And here I am writing sign will be same as that. What sign is given here? The same will come. How? See here, -2 and -3. Same, having same sign, just add them. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Here also having same sign, just add them. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now the thing is, what sign will come? And the sign will be of same as that. What sign is there? Both are having minus, so here minus will come. What sign they both are having plus, so here plus will come. Got it? A very simple rule is there. Second thing, in addition, suppose different sign are there. Here we are saying same sign, and the second one is different sign. If different signs are there, then what will happen? See carefully. I am just taking here -2 plus 5. What will come? And second thing is -7 plus -4. What will come? Here same sign were there. Here different signs are there. Okay. Okay. Different signs are there. So what to do here? Whenever signs are different, they will be different signs. They will be subtract. Okay, they will be subtract to each other. Subtraction, simple subtraction will be there. Then later we will see what sign will come. First subtract. After subtraction, we have to take sign. What sign we will take? Sign of greater number. Right? Sign will be of greater number. Greater number means which one is greater in these two? Just look at the same and write the same. Okay, -2 plus 5. -2 plus 5 is both are having different sign. Just subtract them. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So here 3 will come. Correct? Okay. What sign will come? Here also they are having a different sign. So I am just taking this one is positive. Okay, we will add them. 5 plus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Which sign will come? Which one is greater out of these two numbers? 5 is greater. If 5 is greater, then here what will come? Plus 3. Right? Similarly here, this is -7, then this is plus 4. -7 and plus 4. Different sign, just subtract. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. But which one is greater? This one. Right? This is greater number, minus 3 will come. So simple thing is there, if same signs are there, just add them and sign same as them. If different signs are there, just subtract them, sign will be of greater number. This is only nothing else. Now let's solve some problems related to the exercise. Okay, in exercise first problem is given when minus 5 added to 0, means this is 0, in this one we will add minus 5. So what will come? 5 plus 0 is equal to 5 only. Which one is greater number? This one. So minus sign will come. 0 having neither positive nor negative. There is no sign at all for 0. This side negative side. When you will go in this side negative, and when you will go in this side, this will be positive. And 0 having no sign, neither positive nor negative. This was your first question, so minus 5 will come. Second one is the integer which is 7 more than minus 11. See now number 2. 7 more. More means plus, addition. 7 more than minus 11. First write here minus 11, then saying 7 more. More means plus 7. Can you write like this? So here minus 11 plus 7. Minus 11 plus 7 is equal to having different sign. Different sign means subtract them. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Yes, 4 will come. Now the sign. What sign will be there? This greater number having negative sign. Just put here negative sign. So minus 4 will come. C is correct answer in this question. Next is which of the following is correct? This question is now next. Which of the following is correct? Now see, all 4 options I am writing here. Then we will do the solution. Which one is correct? A is minus 2 plus 9 equal minus 7. Plus 9 equal minus 7. Then B option is minus 17 plus 16 is equal to plus 1. C option is that minus 16 and minus 17 is equal to minus 1. And option number D is minus 11 is equal to minus 22. These are our options. Which one is correct? Let us see. This one is minus 2 and plus 9. Different signs are there. We have to subtract. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Which sign will come? Plus 7 will come because this is greater. But here what is written here? Minus sign. So this is not equal. This option is wrong. Next one, minus 17 plus 16. Different sign. Just subtract them. 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. Sign greater number. This is greater. Greater is negative. So here negative should be there. So this is also not equal. Wrong. Next one. This one. Okay. Is not equal. Okay, this is not equal. This is also not equal. In C, minus 16 and minus 17. Both are having same sign. If same sign are there, so we have to add them. We will add 16 plus 17 is equal to 33, right? But what is given here? Minus 1. This is also not equal. Last option, minus 11 having same sign, so we will add them. How to add? 11 and 11 is equal to 22 and sign same as them. Here we minus, here we minus. So this is correct. So this option is correct. Got it? This is the way to find how to add and how to subtract the things. Next question is the number that must be added to minus 66 to get minus 78. What question is given? The number is minus 66. What number we will add in minus? We will add something to get minus 78. Just keep in consideration of it. This is minus 66. If we will add a positive number, we will add positive number. This is positive and this will be negative. Different sign we will subtract, and if we will subtract, this will become less. इस 66 से 65, 64 और छोटा होगा. But what we need 78. It means this number also will be negative. ये भी negative होगा. Done. Negative, negative, negative. Same? Yes. Now same sign have to add. अब 66 में ऐसा क्या add करें? We get 78. What we will add? See, 66 plus 12 will come, right? 66 plus 10, 76, and plus 2, so minus 12 will come. So what to add in this one? Minus 12 is the correct answer. That is option number B. Next question is very important. The sum of a positive number and a negative number will be. देखो, sum of positive and negative. ध्यान से देखो. Sum of positive and negative. Positive, negative means देखो. Here we have a number that will be positive. Here we have another number that will be negative, and their sum will be equal to positive, negative, or any other thing. See carefully. If these numbers are different, having different sign, suppose this is greater number and this is smaller number. If this is greater, then answer will come in plus positive. So it means if this is greater, answer will come positive. Second thing, if this is small and this is big, then answer will become negative because we have to subtract, then answer will be negative. Suppose both are same. Both are same. Suppose here also 5 and here also 5. 5 minus 5 equal 0. So 0 may also come. It means the sum of positive and negative number may be positive, may be negative, or may be 0 also. So in this one, option number C is correct. That is positive or negative or 0. Done? Now next is using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than minus 9. So how to write? 3 more than minus 9. Always keep it in consideration. More means plus, less means minus. Okay, so it is written here 3 more than minus 9. This is question number 2. In this one, A is there. 3 more than minus 9. More means positive. First come on minus 9. देखो minus 9 कहाँ है? Minus 9, minus 9. It will come across here. This one minus 9. Right? 3 more. More whenever given more, we will go in positive side. Less is given, we will come in negative side. So 3 more means 1. Just count this one. What will come? 1, 2, 3. What is coming here? Minus 6. So this will be equal to minus 6. Got it? Yes. वैसे देखो आप, this is minus 9, 3 more means plus 3. Having different sign, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Greater number is right. We can do this. Okay. Next question is same as it is. That is 4 more than minus 4. देखो minus 4 कहाँ है? ये 4 more. 4 more means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more than minus 4 is 0. How? 4 more than minus 4. 4 more than minus 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Yes, this will be 0. So on number line we can do like this, and directly we can do it this way. Okay. Next one, 6 less than minus 5, 2 less than minus 1. So try to do this. One last one I am doing. 2 less than minus 1. देखो minus 1 कहाँ है? Put it carefully. Where is minus 1? This is minus 1, right? This one is minus 1. And here, according to question saying 2 less. 2 less means we will go in less side, means minus sign. 1 and 2. What is coming here? Minus 3. Okay. So like this we can solve. Did you understand all? Okay. Hope you are getting. Number 4. Sorry, number 3. Number 3 question is find the solution of the following. Just we have to add, we have to subtract, whatever is given, follow the same. Okay, first question of the same is number 4. In this one, A is given plus 22 plus minus 10. This is question number 3, right? Plus 22 and plus minus 10. Same thing is there. See, पहले ध्यान से देख लो. Different sign means subtraction. Okay, now subtract now properly. Greater number पहले लिख लो, small number greater than 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. Right? So here 12 will come. Now sign. What sign will come? 22 and 10. Which one is greater? 22. Sign will be positive. So this will be positive. Got it? This will be a positive number. Similarly, you can do rest also. See last one D 102 and 111. Right? Last one here 102 and then 111. This is plus and plus minus 111. Different sign. What to do? We have to subtract. So here 111 minus 102. What will come? 9. Right? 9 only will come. Okay, the solution will be 9. But with sign, what sign will come? The sign will be of greater number, that is minus 9. Okay, this will be negative. So this is easy. Next question is number 4. Try to understand and follow the rules. Do the same in your copies. Everyone do by the same method. Okay. Number 4. Number 4 is use the number line and add the following integers. First one is 5 plus minus 6. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखते जाना. First है 5 plus minus 6. Okay, B और लिख लेता हूँ मैं. 5 plus minus 10. 5 plus minus 10. C को छोड़ देते हैं. And now we are going to do now last one करता हूँ मैं. E या फिर E करते हैं. That is E. E is minus 2 plus 6 and minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6 and minus 3. These 3 questions we will do by the same method. See what it carefully. 5 plus minus 6 on number line we have to do. Okay, so number line we will take and we will solve on the same only. ध्यान से देखना and try to understand the thing. First one is 5 minus 6. First see the positive 5. Plus 5 is there. Where is plus 5? It is here. So we are here now. Plus 5. We are here. Okay. Now minus 6. Minus means opposite side we will go. So minus 6 here. 6 step we will take. Negative side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is coming? Minus 1. Means their solution is minus 1. Done? Next. Next is 5 and plus minus 10. Right? देखो यहाँ पर. Next is 5 plus minus 10. तो सबसे पहले क्या होना है? 5 पे चले जाओ. This is 5. We are here only. And the next one is minus 10. Minus 10 step back. Because minus is given. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where we are now? Minus 5. So minus 5 will come. The reason is same. Greater number, negative, different sign, subtract, 10 minus Are you getting? Okay. Now last number is, that is minus 2 plus 6 and 3. So first of all go on minus 2. Where is minus 2? This is, we are here for third question. Right? We are here on third question. So minus 2 is there. Okay. After that plus 6 means positive side. So plus 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are here. 6 step positive side. After that back, minus 3 negative side. Again back. So minus 3 means 1, 2 and 3. This is negative side. Got it? So where we are now, that is 1. So this total solution will be equal to 1. Okay. This is the way. Here we are going in this side and here we are coming here. Okay. This is the way. This is the way to solve integers on number line. How to add on number line, you can see. The last question I am going to tell you, that is find the sum of. The method, first and last question I will make you understand. Rest questions you will try to do yourself. Okay. So these 3 questions are there. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना. First is 200 plus A. This is A of question number 5. देखो ये है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का A. ठीक है. 200 then minus 500 minus 507 and the third is 87 minus 87. ये देखो how to solve. carefully. 200 minus 500. पहले तो इसको सम करना है. क्या करना है? फाइंड द सम. फाइंड द सम. सम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? 200 प्लस minus 507 then plus minus 87. Here, okay. Now we have to add them. What to do? Addition. And how to add? See carefully. First solve these first two. Okay, 200 plus and 500 minus, negative, different signs they will be subtracted from. Subtract them. This will be equal to, इनको आराम से subtract कर लो दूसरी जगह पे. One is 507, one is 200. What we left here? That is 307. Means here 307 will come. The sign of 307 will be, this is greater number, so negative sign. Minus 307, then plus minus 87. Okay. Now again two things are there. These both are having same sign, so we will add them. How to add? Just add properly. 307 plus minus, don't put minus, just add them. 7 plus 7 14. Carry 1, 8 plus 1 19. This one is 3. So here what will come? 394 will come, but negative sign, because both are having same sign. Are you getting? Yes. Now see the last one. Last question is given, that is minus 34, minus 56, minus 90. That is question number D. Right? लिखता हूँ मैं minus 34. Second minus 56. And the last, this is 9. We have to find sum. Written here, find the sum of. Sum, how to find sum? Just add them. Minus 34 plus minus 56 plus 9. This is the way to write. Okay. After that one, what we will do? First, take first two. शुरू वाले दोनों ले लो and solve them properly. How to solve? Both are having same sign. Yes. Yes, if both are having same sign, they will be added to each other. Just add them. Add here 34 plus 56. 6 plus 4 equal 10, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. This is 90. 90 will come. Okay, 90 will come. The sign of 90 will be negative because both are having same. And here plus 90 as it is, say minus 90 plus 90. 90 minus 90 equal same sign subtract them 0. So here 0 will come. This is the way to solve. In next video we will do next exercise or next part. Till here, goodbye. Do your work properly in your copies. Every question you will do. Watch it at least 2 or 3 times and then start working without watching. Thank you. We will meet again.